Medicare open enrollment is the critical time during the year when people on Medicare can compare plans, including prescription drug coverage, to find that plan that best meets their healthcare needs and budget. Plan costs and coverage can change from one year to the next, and individuals' healthcare needs and budget can also change year over year. So it's really important for people on Medicare to take time during open enrollment to evaluate their plan options. Now, open enrollment extends from October 15th through December 7th, and any changes that are made during this period will take effect on January 1. As a nonprofit organization dedicated to accelerating access to care for millions, we were really interested to understand how people on Medicare approach open enrollment. And what we found was nearly 50%, 1 out of 2 individuals on Medicare, do not plan to evaluate or change their plans during open enrollment. This amidst concerns about rising premiums and deductibles and out-of-pocket costs. This concern is exactly the reason why people on Medicare should take time during open enrollment to evaluate their options. The first thing to keep in mind is to take time to read and review one's annual notice of change that should have been received by one's plan. This document is important because it identifies the changes in your plan from this year to next. Secondly, and very important, is to take time to evaluate your own healthcare needs and budget. What changes do you anticipate over the next year? What medications do you need? What healthcare providers do you need access to? What is your budget? What can you afford in terms of premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket costs? A critical resource for individuals is Medicare Plan Finder, which can be found at Medicare.gov. This is an important tool because in a matter of minutes, by inputting some basic information, your address, pharmacies near you, your prescription medications, you'll be able to view the range of plan options that could be available to you in your area. So that is a very important resource to individuals. Additionally, at PAN, we have a range of educational resources that can help people through the open enrollment process. For more information about open enrollment, visit panfoundation.org/open enrollment. And don't forget Medicare Plan Finder at Medicare.gov.